MissCarly. Thank you for coming back to watch another amazing wig video that I have for you. Again, thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I so appreciate it, as my main message for all of these videos is to inspire, to empower, and to share knowledge with all of you. So let's get inspired. So with this wig, actually, what I'm gonna say, it's blue, like really blue, and then also I first tried it on. I was gonna return it, and then I decided, you know, make it work. Tim Gunn, make it work. So I actually have not put it on since I first put it on months ago. So it'll be a surprise for you, as it will be for me as well. So let's talk about this blue wig. I mean, let's be real, this is pretty beautiful, right? How could it not work, right? This is what I'm saying, so let's make it work today. So here is the information about the wig. It is Brown Sugar by Isis. Now, what's funny is that it doesn't say anything about hair products, about a temperature, but I know that you can use temperature on here. For some reason, it just doesn't say anything about it with this product. So this is Blue Lagoon, and I will of course link the link down below for this information about this wig. Again, all the wigs that I have are always under $40. And also with these wig companies, generally, if you just buy 2 wigs, you get free shipping. So it's like perfect. So why buy one when you can have 2 with free shipping, right? So again, like I said, I haven't even looked at this wig or even put it on since I first got it. Although I believe that it's all ready to go with the fastenings and whatnot, which is really interesting. There are no clips in this wig. That's very different. I've never seen a wig without clips yet. So wow, okay, so no clips, but then again, I rarely clip my wigs in anyway, so it really doesn't matter, no. It does have the fastener on the bottom where you can adjust it to the size of your head. So let's, again, so okay, so let's look at this wig. So it is actually an asymmetrical bob, which is a look that I'm attracted to, as that is my hair at the moment. So let's, again, put this wig on. The cap's on the floor. I have a nude wig cap, which I did get off of Amazon. I will leave the link down below as well for that, as well as all my information. So feel free to check it out, all my info. Let's just put this wig cap on. Just shove all my hair in this wig cap. There's no, well, since my hair is very short, I don't really need to do anything to it. If you have longer hair, you'll probably have to, you know, twist it up. They actually just do some sort of twisting, braiding it up or whatnot. So the wig's on. Vegas showgirl. Whoa, look out, people. All right, so the moment we've all been waiting for, because I want to make this wig work. Okay, so let's see what's going on here. Okay, so I have to put on this side. So, you know, it's blue, and, you know, I live in Chicago, and Cubs are blue, so I thought this could be a great Cubs wig, right? Cubby blue. You know what, actually, as I'm putting this on, it doesn't seem as weird as what I initially thought it was. I think I mainly had a problem with the front. Like there was too much hair up here, which honestly, it's like you can just pluck out the hairs that aren't working for you. Let's just take another peek at this. This is actually pretty cute, right? Is this workable? Let's talk about it. Would you wear this? Would you wear it to a Cubs game? What do you think? I think I actually really like this as I'm looking at it. I don't know what was going on with me when I first put it on and decided I was gonna return it, and then I didn't. I just decided to, you know, pull through because it's under $30 and I didn't want to ship it back for $7.95, and then you know, just why not have a blue wig? So I kind of really like this. Let's just do a little turn, see what's going on with this. Pretty nice. Again, it's very full. I feel like it has very minimal shedding to it when I was brushing it. Really don't feel like much, I mean, normal, you'll have that. I really don't feel like it's just shedding like crazy. Look at this great blue color. Let's just talk about this. Let's talk about it. Wow. Okay, I think I'm sold. I'm sold on this wig now. Yeah, great. Check it out. Again, all the information is below. It was under $40. It was probably $32 or whatnot. But it's fun, and gosh, summer 2018, cubbies? Maybe another World Series wig? What do you guys think? All right, so again, thank you for stopping by. Please feel free to reach out to me in any social media capacity. I'll leave it all up here, down below, everywhere. I'd love to hear from you. I want to hear about the wigs that you've tried, maybe the wigs you want to try, or the ones that worked or didn't work. I would love to know all about it. So again, life is short, have fun, wear a wig, and just have fun with it. And like I said, I like to call wigs shoes for my head because they're all under $40, and it's just something fun. You can change up your look, and it'll just, I mean, it's just generally perfect. I mean, knowing that the hair will lie perfectly every single time, it'll be unfazed by temperature, humidity, rain, snow, unfazable. It will look beautiful every single time, like you stepped out of the salon, every single time. Again, thank you for stopping by, and we will see you all soon. Thank you, bye.